Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your target audience to buy your highest pricing offer without trying to squeeze their neck out. And if you sell products online, whether digital or physical products, you would have noticed that most of the times your target audience tend to buy the lowest pricing offers, okay? But if you're tired of selling to them that low pricing offer and you want to sell to them the high pricing offers, then you need to watch this video till the end. So what's up everyone, Joshua Oduwai here again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you same strategy that has been used by big brands like Apple and McDonald's to get their customers to buy their best pricing offers for a particular product. Okay, so if you watch this video to the end, you're going to discover how you too can adopt this same strategy and use it to sell your high pricing offers to your target audience. So this strategy is called the decoy pricing strategy. And in simple terms, what this strategy does, it helps your target audience to be able to make a buying decision between two choices by introducing one more choice, which is the third option. Now, this is exactly how it works. So take for instance, you walk into a supermarket and you get to see a brand that has two product sizes. Now the first product size has a price tag on it which says $10, and the other sizing has a price tag on it of $30. Now, automatically the first thing that comes to your head is the one of $30 is actually more expensive, right? The next buying decision you want to make is to immediately pick that $10 offer. But if your seller doesn't want you to go away with the $10 product, he wants you to go with the $30 product, here is how he's going to deploy the decoy pricing strategy into their marketing. So the next thing the marketer wants to do is to introduce another product of a bigger size, obviously, but this time around is going to be at a higher price of around $50. So you are going to see that that $50 product is the decoy price, and what it's actually doing to you is it's getting you to think that, oh, this product for $30 is actually still better and affordable than the $50 product. So what happens in the end is that the target audience ends up buying the one for $30. Okay, so here's another example. So take for instance a company that makes popcorn, that produces popcorn. They want to sell to you two product offers, right? They want to sell to you the $3.50 pricing offer and the $6.50 pricing offer. If they put this 3.50 and the 6.50 the offer directly, what happens to you is you're going to go for the 3.50 immediately without even blinking, okay? But now whenever they introduce to you a decoy pricing offer, which is going to be like the $6 pricing offer, the first thing that comes to your mind is you're going to look at the three options and weigh them. Now, when you weigh them as a target audience, the first thing you want to do when making that buying decision is to consider how much cost you are going to be incurring to get a higher package. So if you're getting the least product pricing for $3.5 and the next pricing offer is for $6, which is about $2.5 increase, and the third pricing offer is just $0.5 increase. So obviously, as a target audience, the next thing you want to do when making a buying decision is to go for the $6.5 product, and it's very reasonable. It's very logical. That is how buyers make their buying decisions, and you want to get them to make this buying decision as quick as possible. Okay, so here's how iPhone use this same strategy when they introduced the iPhone 11 product packages. Okay, so the first product package, which is the least pricing, started from around $699, which is about $700, and the next one came for around $1,999, which is around $1,000, right? So the highest product pricing was $1,099. And if you look at it logically, you're going to discover that why spend $999, which is around $1,000, to get a product when you can actually get a higher package for about $1,099, right? So it's quite easy. The target audience don't want to feel cheated. They want to feel like they are on top of their game. Like they want to feel like they are getting a bargain from the deal they are making with you. Okay, so you have to put it to them in that way so that they can be able to get a good feeling for themselves whenever they end up buying your product. So if you're wondering how you can actually use this same strategy in your marketing campaign, here is a simple way to adopt this into your marketing campaign. So take for instance, you sell physical products, which is like this product right here. So you sell like a NutriBullet, which is for making smoothies and blending of fruits and vegetables. Here is how you can actually use this same marketing strategy when setting up your marketing campaign. So let's take for instance, you have a product, the first one, which is the least pricing offer for around $89, and it comes with a 5-piece set. Then you have your other pricing set, which is for around 12 pieces per set for around $149, right? You want your target audience to buy the one for $149. What you're going to do is to introduce a decoy pricing. So here's the decoy pricing. You introduce to them the same product with a 9-piece set for around $125. Okay, so right there in the customer's head, in your target audience head, what happens to them is they logically think about it and look through and see that, oh, it's actually logical to buy the one for $149 than go for the one of the $125, because what you're actually doing is you're eliminating the $125 product pricing from their head and making them buy the one for the $149. Okay, so this is exactly how you're going to use it in your own marketing campaign too. You can get your product pricing first, set up the two product pricing that you want your target audience to buy, and you make them a decoy pricing offer. Okay, make sure you have this decoy pricing offer stacked in a way that is going to make them make the buying decision between that decoy pricing and your highest pricing offer. So if you're wondering if this works, I can tell you for a fact that this is something that's been tested and tried by a lot of internet marketers, and even myself. I've tried it out and it worked well for me. And if you want to know why this works, I have 3 reasons why this works. Number 1 is that you limit the choices for your target audience. So your target audience no longer has the buying choice of making between the lowest pricing offer and your highest pricing offer. What he has at the moment is between your decoy pricing offer and your highest pricing offer. Number 2 reason why this works is because this makes your target audience to think that they are actually in control of their buying decision, because deep within them, they want to be in control. They want to be in charge of their buying decision. They don't want you to rope them into making them feel like you are the one forcing them or tying their hands to pick a particular option. So you want to open it to them and get them to make that buying decision by themselves. So let them feel in control, let them feel in charge. Number 3 reason why this works is because it makes your target audience to actually think that they're ripping you off. It actually makes them feel like they're getting a big bargain from you. So take, for instance, the last product we talked about. You are picking a product that sells for around $89 for 5-piece sets, and you are actually selling to them the 12-piece set for around $149, whereas the 9-piece set is sold for $125. Now you can see that the difference between the 9-piece set and the 12-piece set is just about $25. So no logical person is going to go for the $125 when you can actually get the complete package for $149, right? So if you have used this strategy before, kindly indicate in the comment section and tell us how your results were. If it was good, if it was bad, let us know how it went in the comment section. And if you have never tried this strategy before, kindly go ahead and test this strategy for your marketing campaigns, and you're going to see how the results are going to improve tremendously. Okay, if you watch this video up to this point, that means you enjoyed this video. And if this is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video just like this one you're watching right now. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and share this video with as many people that you think might find this video valuable. So until I come your way next time, it's